for the question number 3, we have the GCK flip-flop, and then this diagram shows it is a positive edge. So, in theory, if J is 0 and K is 0, Q would be simply Q, and bar Q would be Qn, and if J is 0, K is 1, Q is 0, and bar Q would be 1, and if J is 1 and K is 0, bar Q would be 1, and the Q will be 1 and bar Q would be 0, and J, if both J and K will binary 1, the Q would be the toggle, and for the bar Q would be set. So, our task is to find the bar Q and the Q. So, from here, start here, we can see that J is 1 and K is 0. So, therefore, if J is 1 and K is 0, so Q would be high. So, now, from here, we can see that J is 0 and K is 0. So, therefore, Q will be nothing changed. So, and then you can see here J is 0 and K is 1. J is 0 and K is 1. So, therefore, it's low. So, from here, we have both J and K is high. So, therefore, it will become high. So from here, we have both high. So therefore, toggle. From here, toggle again. But from here, we have J high and K is low. So therefore, J is high and K is low. Therefore, is 1. And then, both is, the J is 0 and K is 1. So therefore, it's like low. So this is the output Q. And for the bar Q, it's simply reverse of the Q. So from here, so this will be now our output Q and the output bar Q. That's all.